What's up, guys? It's Crazy Sky here, and today we have a small unboxing. So basically, here's a little backstory. When I first started getting into cubing, I ordered a couple of puzzles, a cube, a pyraminx, like those beginning puzzles, and I also ordered a square one. Now, that cube broke, so basically I got a new one, and this is that new one. I have not opened it in maybe a couple of months, because I've only been cubing for a couple of months, I got back into cubing. So this puzzle is old, but you know, I've already pre-opened it, so it would be a little bit easier. And there's the square one. So let's open it. It's kind of hard to get out of the package. There we go. So let's look at the little instruction palette first. Alright. Let's just open this up. Look at all of this nonsense. Alright, so I do not actually know how to solve a square one, but I'm gonna learn. So you got a bunch of algorithms and stuff. Okay, so it tells you like everything. So it says 0 means no rotation, 1 means top or bottom layer 30 degrees and turn one edge piece clockwise, 2 means 2 times 390 degrees. How to solve the puzzle. Alright, so when the square one puzzle is unsolved, it's in a irregular shape. We must solve it into a square, as step follows. There's no algorithm to make the top layer as 6-point star, so you need to work it on your own and solve it. Okay, it sounds pretty like an average kind of booklet sort of thing. And now we have the square one, so this is it. This is the square one. It's a, I don't know what this is. I think it's an X-Man puzzle, because I have my X-Man Weenie Ski, which is my main right now, and I'm loving it. I highly recommend this puzzle. Got the same logo on it, except this one I'm gonna peel off, because I don't like logos on my cubes, because since that one is stickerless, I can't peel it off because there's no sticker on it, but this one I can just peel it off without any problem. Now I have no logo on it. I don't like the logos on my cubes, so let's get into some turns. So if you guys don't know, a square one can shapeshift, actually, so it's not a cube all the time, so it kind of turns like that and shapeshifts. I'm not going to scramble it up quite yet, so let's get into first turns. Feels kind of dry. Corner cutting is not that great, so if it's kind of like that. Oh, it's actually, I'm pretty neutral about this. Not that greatest, but basically, you can turn it like this and it will shapeshift like that. But what you can actually do is turn this layer like 30 degrees like this, and then you can do a turn like this, and it kind of gets jumbled and stuff. In fact, you could do 2 moves and like that. You can't actually not do a move like this. It actually doesn't move, so you know, it's like this. There's no magnets in. I feel like this really would benefit from magnets, because it kind of gets all, you know, kind of messed up and you don't know how to like put it back. But yeah, it feels kind of dry. Here, I'll put it next to my microphone. See, like, it's smooth, but dry. I feel like it could be better with some lube stuff, so. See, there is sort of a bandaging problem. See, like, normally, like, right here, oh, no, not here, you would normally be able to do a turn because there's some bandaging right here. So you can't do a turn like this, but, you know, a little bit of bandaging problem, but, you know, it's not really that bad. Look at that. That kind of looks weird now. So, yeah, it's, X-Man Square One. It's cool, but you know, a little bit dry. I feel like it would benefit a little bit from some lube or something like that. So yeah, smooth, kind of dry, a little bit scratchy, but it's good. So do I recommend this puzzle? Yes, I do, because you know, it's a really cool, like, first shape-shifting puzzle to get. Like, you don't want to go ahead and get, like, a ghost cube, the first shape-shifting puzzle, because that's kind of more advanced. Where this one is kind of a cube, but it's also kind of a shape-shifting one. So, and it's also a WCA event. So if you want to compete in a WCA event that's shape-shifting or has a little bit of a twist, if you know what I mean. Didn't. That was a really good joke that I just made up. That, oh god, I'm gonna edit that out. That was a really bad joke. Alright, so do I actually recommend this puzzle? Yes, I do, because yeah, well, it's good. You know, it's good. It's good. It's kind of scratchy. It does probably need a little bit of lube, but if you like probably like less experienced Square One solvers, then you know it will be pretty good. It has okay corner guarding. If I do like that, it kind of moves back in place, but yeah, it's pretty good. It's definitely nothing compared to probably magnetic Square One cubes, but it definitely is a pretty good starting Square One. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this unboxing, and go ahead and pick up a Square One on Amazon, the Cubicle, Speed Cube Shop, all of those other places. I'm not sponsored. That's just where you can buy a Square One if you want to. Now, I'm not gonna link it in the description because I'm not sponsored, so I'm not gonna do that. And I'll see you guys in the next video. See ya.